In a world where automakers are obsessed with downsizing engines, adopting electric powertrains, and chasing efficiency at the cost of performance, General Motors has just done something that brought back a wave of nostalgia for me. Picture this, nearly $1 billion, yes, you read that right, dedicated to developing a brand new sixth-generation V8 engine. And it's not just any engine, it's the heart and soul of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500. Trust me when I say, this is no ordinary announcement. It's a bold move that promises to shake up the entire truck industry. The bold V8 revolution, a massive investment, GM has just made one of the largest single-engine investments in automotive history, $888 million, dedicated to making this new V8 engine a reality. The investment is being funneled into the Tonawanda propulsion plant in Buffalo, New York, marking the biggest engine facility investment GM has ever made. And it doesn't stop there. Additional funds are flowing into various other GM operations across Michigan, Ohio, and New York, showcasing the company's confidence in the enduring power of the V8 engine. While most competitors are racing to downsize and electrify, GM is doubling down on internal combustion. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of the V8 engine, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This massive investment is a testament to GM's vision for the future, signaling to the world that V8 engines aren't going anywhere. They're evolving, engineered for power and efficiency. Now let's dive into what makes this V8 engine so special. This new engine promises to deliver even more power than the current 5.3L and 6.2L V8s found in the Sierra 1500, and all while meeting stricter emission standards. The new generation of V8 engines will incorporate breakthrough thermal management technologies and advanced combustion systems, giving the truck even more power and torque without sacrificing fuel efficiency. For those who are familiar with the existing engine lineup, the 5.3L V8 produces 355 horsepower and 383 lb of torque, while the 6.2L V8 takes it up to 420 horsepower and 461 lb of torque. The new engine will not only exceed these numbers, but will do so while reducing fuel consumption and emissions by up to 6%. This is where things get really exciting. The new V8 won't just give you peak power at specific RPMs, it will provide consistent torque delivery throughout the entire RPM range, from idle to redline. What does this mean for drivers? For truck owners, this means several exciting benefits. The V8 engine's power won't be limited to a narrow window of acceleration. You'll have more low-end torque for towing, stronger mid-range power for passing, and more top-end muscle for sustained highway driving. In simpler terms, it's a truck that's more responsive, more capable, and more enjoyable to drive. This level of power comes with an innovative combustion system that burns fuel more efficiently, utilizing every drop of gas for maximum energy. While turbocharged engines are great for boosting power in a specific RPM range, they often fall short in providing the broad, consistent power delivery that truck owners need for both work and play. Advanced thermal management, the secret sauce. One of the key innovations in the new V8 engine is its thermal efficiency. GM's engineers have made significant improvements to the engine's thermal management, ensuring that more energy is extracted from every drop of fuel. By optimizing fuel injection timing and combustion chamber design, the new engine burns fuel more completely without excess air, leading to better fuel economy and lower emissions. This technology is a game changer. It promises to deliver up to 6% better fuel economy compared to current V8 engines, which might not seem like a lot, but over time this will result in significant savings at the pump, especially for truck owners who rack up the miles. Exterior design, a bold statement. Now let's take a look at the 26 Sierra's design, which has also undergone some exciting changes. While the focus is on performance, the truck's exterior has received a bold makeover that elevates its already commanding presence on the road. Inspired by the refreshed Yukon, the 2026 Sierra features a more cohesive front fascia with a sleek, horizontal design. The red GMC badge takes center stage, surrounded by gloss black trim, while new vertical LED signature lighting adds a modern touch. The truck's grille design is aggressive, with bold horizontal bars that emphasize the vehicle's width, and the hood features muscular creases that add to its athletic appearance. The fender flares have been squared off to house larger wheels and off-road tires, while the overall stance of the truck appears more upright, enhancing both its presence and visibility on the road. Interior redesign. Luxury meets functionality. Step inside and the transformation continues. The 2026 Sierra introduces the largest and most advanced interior redesign in GMC truck history. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive 30-inch curved display that stretches across the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. This tech, which has already been featured in Cadillac models, brings luxury car sophistication to GMC's workhorse. In addition to the advanced tech, GM has completely redesigned the seats, focusing on long-distance comfort and support, an area where the current generation of Sierra has sometimes fallen short. Soft-touch surfaces replace hard plastics, and the entire cabin feels more premium than ever before. Storage solutions are also expanding, with clever compartments designed for truck owners who need to balance work with play. Whether you're hauling tools or gear for an outdoor adventure, the Sierra's new interior makes it easier than ever to organize and access your stuff. The hybrid and diesel powertrains, a smart move. In terms of powertrains, GMC is embracing a balanced electrification strategy, giving customers more choice without forcing them to go fully electric. The 2026 Sierra will introduce a plug-in hybrid system that combines V8 power with electric assistance for exceptional torque delivery and improved fuel economy. The hybrid system will offer a silent electric-only range of over 40 miles, perfect for short commutes or neighborhood driving. For those who still need the full towing capability of a diesel engine, GMC is keeping the popular 3.0L Duramax inline-six turbo diesel in the lineup. With 495 torque and improved fuel efficiency, it remains the go-to choice for heavy-duty towing needs. Better ride quality and off-road performance. The 2026 Sierra's ride quality will be another highlight. With revised suspension geometry and new rear shock mounting points, GM has worked hard to address the truck's biggest weakness, ride comfort. The updated suspension system absorbs road imperfections better, providing a smoother, quieter ride while still retaining the solid feel that truck owners demand. Off-road enthusiasts will be happy to know that the Sierra will also feature improved ground clearance, approach angles, and enhanced skid plate protection on AT4X models. These upgrades, combined with specialized off-road programming, will allow the Sierra to tackle more challenging terrain with ease. Pricing and release date. So when can you get your hands on this game-changing truck? Production for the 2026 Sierra is set to begin next year, with deliveries expected shortly thereafter. Pricing will start around $40,000 for base models, with fully loaded AT4X variants reaching between $65,000 and $70,000, depending on the options selected. Call to action. As you can see, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is shaping up to be a true powerhouse, combining cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and a sleek new design. If you're excited about this V8 revolution, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your fellow truck enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments. What do you think of GM's decision to invest in V8 technology for the future? Want to learn more about the next generation of trucks? Check out our video on the upcoming Silverado 1500 and how it's shaping the future of full-size pickups. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Experience Home, and we'll see you in the next one.